7E error code on Samsung washer. Tech replace a small part near top right side of washer. Worked for a couple of loads. He blew air down the tube that the part was connected to, said if it happens again, put hot water in the machine. He said there is something blocking the sensor. Oh, I also disconnected both water lines into the washer and both were clogged with rust particles on the two screens.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. 7E has nothing to do with your sensor or the rust in the water screens. 7E meanst silver care kit, silver Care PCB, control board is shorting out. There is nothing you can do but to order and replace this control board to fix the issue. The part number is MES HMOD S2 and luckily it's only about $40. If you remove the screws going into the back of your top panel, the top panel should pull straight back, up, and off and you can see the board mounted above the drum I believe in the back left corner area. Below is a diagram and I have circled the part. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
Thank you and I hope this works. Got the part off on back right side and the hash XXXXX yours but with an LF at the end. Message.g. 3 mod S2 LF will rate you excellent. Thanks again. Richard Rowe.
Not a problem and I wish you only the best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.